In today's video, we will go over exactly how you can use a completely free bot to earn passive income for you, where you can make hundreds of dollars every single day. And yes, this is passive income because the bot will be doing all of the work for you. So in order to be able to do this strategy, you won't need any previous experience, and this will be accessible for anyone across the entire world. And I really do mean that. This works in all countries. Before we begin today's video, please drop a like and click on subscribe. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload a brand new video on how to make money online. Okay, let's get back to the video. So before I get into how this bot works and show how it will make money for you completely for free, I think it's important to let you know that this bot is trusted by millions worldwide and that there is no credit card required, meaning that this is indeed completely free. You don't have to spend any money at all. So the first thing we want to do is go to a website called clearvoice.com. And what's great about this website is that you will be paid in real money. That means you're not going to have to transfer any points or coins or any of that. You are going to be getting real money sent directly to you, which you can then spend on whatever you want. So if we go to similarweb.com and search for clearvoice.com, we will see that it is getting this number of total monthly visits. And these visitors are coming from top-level countries like the United States. And remember, like I mentioned previously, you don't have to do any of this work yourself. The bot I'll show to you will do all of the work for you. So ClearVoice is a website where companies, business owners, and entrepreneurs will seek out potential workers like me and you to create and write content for their business. And these business owners are willing to pay hundreds of dollars per piece of content. And don't worry, any sort of writing skills aren't required because you are not going to be the one who will be writing the articles. I'm going to provide you with a tool which will do all this work for you and in a professional manner. This tool is proven to get some pretty good results for people all over the world. So the bot I was talking about earlier will be doing all of the work for you with just a simple click of a button. You heard that right. All you need to do is just click once in order to set it all up. It will do all of the work for you, which will allow you to get paid over and over again with clearvoice.com. So if we go back to clearvoice.com and hover over Talent Network up here at the top, you will see the many different categories like advertising and marketing, finance, healthcare, software and tech, retail, and many more. So the first thing that you need to do is create an account on clearvoice.com. To do that, you will need to hover over Talent Network again and click on Join the Talent Network. That will then redirect you to this page where you can learn about the many different benefits when becoming a freelancer for clearvoice.com. And we're going to be focusing on writing those articles so you can get paid hundreds of dollars per article. And remember, if you stick around until the end of this video, you will learn how to use this bot, which will write the articles for you completely for free in any category or niche. This will then allow you to charge other people hundreds of dollars for those articles written by your bot, thus allowing you to generate passive income on a daily basis. So to begin, you need to sign up for an account on clearvoice.com to become a freelancer. You'll need to fill in your first and last name right here in this box and then click on Get Started. After you've signed up for your account, this is what your account will look like. It will show your name right here, and then over here on the left, it will include all of your different socials. You could add your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube channel, whatever you want. I suggest adding as many of your socials as possible because this will increase your chances of getting hired and therefore allow you to make more money. In order to edit or change your profile picture, just click on this button right here that says Edit Info. Try and add a professional looking profile picture because the better and more professional it looks, the better chance you'll get hired and be able to make more money. Now, before I introduce you to this free bot that will do all the work for you and help you earn passive income on a daily basis, I'd like to show you something first. On clearvoice.com, you're allowed to set your own rate, meaning you could price your articles at $100 or $200 or even $500 per article. Whatever you think your article is worth, you can set it at any price you like. ClearVoice also guarantees that you will get paid quickly, meaning you don't have to wait several days or even weeks to get your money that you earned. ClearVoice guarantees that you'll get paid via PayPal upon assignment approval. So this shows that you will always get paid on time and you'll be able to get your money through PayPal, which is a very safe and reliable payment method that anyone can use. Now, before I show you how to use this completely free bot that will do all this work for you, I want to provide you with some proof that this process actually works. So here is someone who is a freelancer on ClearVoice who focuses on writing articles to make money. If we scroll down, we can see the many examples this person has on their CV. This person made money on every single one of these articles, earning at least $100 per article. So let's say each of these articles earned $100 per article. That would total up to be at least several $1,000s based on how many different articles this person has here. And I'm sure this person priced their articles a lot higher than $100 per article, so you can only imagine how much money this person has made. However, the difference between you and this person is that this person who actually wrote the articles probably spent several hours and maybe even days to write them. This was definitely a lot of hard work that involved a lot of knowledge and experience in order to complete. So the great thing here is that you're not going to have to do any of this work. The bot will do all of this work for you. So I just wanted to show you this person as an example, as well as proof that this actually works, and that people are making hundreds and even thousands of dollars writing these articles on clearvoice.com. So to get started making money on clearvoice.com, we will need to return back to your account and complete setting it up. As you can see right here, it shows the percentage of the CV completion. As you fill out your information, the percent number will increase, and once it hits 100%, you'll be able to start making money. So in order to improve your CV, you'll want to click on this button right here that says Add Content. This is where you're going to upload your article by either pasting a URL or uploading a file. I'm sure you're thinking to yourself that you currently don't have an article to prove your worth for this role. No need to worry, because I'll show you how you can complete this step completely for free. Also, I'd like to mention that this is exactly where you're going to submit your articles in order to earn your money. So now, what you're going to want to do is head over to google.com and search for a niche that you want to focus on. This could be anything, whether it's business and finance, technology, fitness, gaming, etc. As an example, let's say I want to focus on the fitness niche. I'll type in the Google search bar, fitness tips for beginners. Obviously, you can choose any keyword phrase you like and in any niche that you want. After you search this in Google, you'll be given a bunch of different articles that you can use. And many of these articles will be fresh new articles that will be more relative. And these articles will constantly be refreshed, so you are updated with the best new articles every time you do a Google search. This means that you're never going to run out of articles to help you earn money. So I know you might be probably confused right now, but don't worry, because if you stick with me, I will show you how to do this step by step. Because the last thing you want to do is just copy another person's article on ClearVoice or anywhere else, because that will result in some serious copyright issues and you'll be prevented from making any money. So make sure that you focus on exactly what I'm about to show you. Okay, so let's say I choose this article right here. I'm going to copy every single part of this article, paragraph by paragraph, and then paste it into this bot right here so it will rewrite this text for me. So let's go over how it works. The bot is called quillbot.com, and essentially what it does is you can paste any text or even upload a document and it will rewrite it for you. So all you do is copy and paste the text and then click on the button that says paraphrase. And then on the right side, it will give you a rewritten version of what you copied and pasted on the left side. That's it. It's literally just one click of a button. So let's go over how it works. I'm going to copy and paste the information from the article that I was on earlier and then click on paraphrase, and that will produce a rewritten version of this part of the article. That's all it took, just one single click of a button. So if you look at these two paragraphs, you'll notice that they are basically saying the same thing but written differently. So now you have a new original text for you to use as your own work. The next thing you'll need to do is copy this rewritten text and paste it onto a Google Docs sheet. Google Docs is completely free as well, so just paste that text onto here Now go back to the article and copy the next paragraph of text and paste that into Quillbot to get another rewritten piece of text. Also, if you are only using the free version of Quillbot, you're only allowed to use 400 characters per paraphrase. But that's totally fine, because we'll just use 400 characters at a time to get a rewritten piece of text for us. So now I'll just click on paraphrase and get a new rewritten version of the text for us to use. So you can just repeat this process until you get an entirely rewritten article. So I'll just copy this rewritten text and paste it onto my Google Docs sheet. After I copy and paste each rewritten paragraph, I'll be able to create an entirely new and original article. Completing this process shouldn't take you any longer than about 5 minutes. After you've completed this, you will want to save this to your computer by clicking on File and then Download as a PDF document. Next, you will want to go back to clearvoice.com and click on Add Content on the bottom right corner, and then click on Upload File to upload your newly rewritten article. Once you've uploaded it, it'll begin the upload process, and you can select a category that your article is written in, complete the rest of the info, write a short description, and then click on Update. It's just that easy. You can choose to change the name of your document, and you can change the image. I would strongly suggest that you change the image so it's more clickable. You can find an image on a website called pexels.com, which holds copyright-free photos that anyone can use. So search the niche of whatever your article is about and choose an appropriate image that will work with your article. As an example, I'm going to select this image and click on Download. I'm going to go back over to clearvoice.com and click on the button Change Image and add the image I just downloaded from clearvoice.com. Then I'll just click on Update to save it. The more you do this, the more you'll improve and will therefore be able to make even more money. People are making thousands of dollars writing these articles, and you can do the same, but without all of the work involved. All you need to do is find a good article and get it rewritten by using Quillbot to create your own article to upload on clearvoice.com. This will literally take you less than 5 minutes of work, whereas all these other people on clearvoice.com have probably spent hours and even days writing all of these articles. So that brings us to the end of today's video. I really hope you learned a lot and will apply this strategy yourself so you can make money online. If you'd like to learn about another way to make money online, check out this video right here.